If 32 to the power of a plus b equals 16 to the power of a plus 2b, find the value of a. Welcome to Maths with Teacher MJ. In this video, we are going to solve this fun little SAT math problem. But before I start the solution, please feel free, pause the video, solve it yourself, then write your answers in the comments below. After that, come back here and compare your answers with my solution. Remember, if you use different way to solve this question, please let me know. It always makes me happy to see how creative you guys can be. Now, I'm going to start the solution after 3 seconds. 1, 2, go ahead and get started. But where should we start the solution? As you know, 32 is same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 to the power of 5. Also, 16 is same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 to the power of 4. So let's rewrite it. 32 or 2 to the power of 5 raised to the power of a plus b equals 16 or 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of a plus 2b. But what is the next step? To continue the solution, I'm going to get help from an exponential rule that says this rule. A to the power of m raised to the power of n is same as a to the power of m times n. So 2 to the power of m raised to the power of a plus b is same as 2 to the power of m times a plus b. Equals 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of a plus 2b is same as 2 to the power of 4 times a plus 2b. Okay, until here we did it well. Good job. But what is the next step? Look, this space are same. So exponents must be same. 5a plus b equals 4 times a plus 2b. Next step, let's expand it. 5 times a plus 5 times b equals 4 times a times 4 times 2b. 4 times 2b equals 8b. Next step, we have 4a here, 5a here, 4a here. Let's transpose this 4a to the left side. It's gonna be 5a minus 4a equals. Let's transpose this 5b to the right side. It's gonna be 8b minus 5b. But what is the next step? 5a minus 4a is gonna be, let me write the continue here. 5a minus 4a is gonna be 8. Also, 8b minus 5b is gonna be 3b. Now, we are going to find the answer between the options. Option A says b, so it is not true. B 2b, not true. And C says a equals 3b. So option C is our answer. Have fun.